Tocha kama ngana maiya yechigosori korwa se county ya Kisii agwaso mwaziri wechigosori me county ya Kisii Eric Miyenda nganya ko baka gweso kino tabuno muroberio Talanta Hela nganya ko baka kwendra buya asechi sub county au ime county ya Kisii aso ikiraboni ga no mubaro wechi sub county sano nemo sate bire chirisa tocha jale ko bachigotigara anyale ko baga kwene kibuna chigosori echo chia Talanta Hela chanyale ko bachikogenderera aso wana terebuna omweli wechigosori chime county ya Kisii no korosigwe gwetimi yaba mura na baiseke yora nyale ko bage kogosori nechi county chinde isano chirasoro gongorwa Great Lakes gosensemo ya Nyanza kwana kibuna etimu ya rugongorwa Nyanza nyale ko bage korosigu.
We also want to report to the people of Kisii County that we are scouting for players who are going to participate in Talanta Hela tournament, which is a partnership between county governments and national government. We have done by now 6 sub-counties. We are remaining with 3 sub-counties to finish. By 12, we'll be having Kisii County Talanta Hela team for boys and girls, which will be playing with Migori County, we'll be playing with Nyamira County, Homa Bay, Kisumu, all the 6